Oh my goodness, Philip, listen to her butts. There's just so many. I mean, seriously, has she no shame? She sounds like a broken record. I really would like to, but I wish I could, but it's literally ridiculous. I can't believe they're just so lame. It's like super obvious that she's making up excuses. I mean, really? She's just so excusey. I like big butts, just kidding, I lied. And I'm not talking about behind. What I'm talking about is a lame reason to not do something, it's an excuse. Who you trying to fool, cause we all know the truth. Always saying but stop faking, it's just an excuse you're making. Oh, spare me of your justification, your non-motivation. My friends all try to warn me, but those bots you got are just so annoying. Ooh, so perplexing, the reasons why you never commit. Excuse me, what's with all your tried excusing? Are you really busy? Or are you just lazy? It's this, or that, or I gotta stay home with my cat. Would you all agree that butts are revolting? Take an average person and ask them that, they'll say it's facts. So ladies,
yeah,
fellas,
yeah,
are you picking up what I'm laying down?
Oh, yes.
Excuses
yeah,
are useless,
yeah,
so drop them like a mate. Drop the big butts. Drop the big butts. Apparently this rap is done, so drop the big butts.